Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil Toyota Sienna, updated. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then gather tools. A socket set, oil filter wrench, drain pan, and the correct oil grade. Wear gloves and safety glasses, and let the engine cool for at least 15 minutes. Locate the oil filler cap, dipstick, and oil drain plug so the process goes smoothly and safely. Begin by lifting the vehicle safely with jack stands if needed and placing the drain pan beneath the oil pan. Remove the drain plug with the correct socket and let the oil flow freely until it slows to a drip, making sure to avoid splashes. Inspect the drain plug washer and replace if damaged. Then reinstall the drain plug and tighten to the manufacturer's torque to prevent leaks and ensure proper sealing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical car DIY content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control is great for keeping your garage and workspace tidy while you wrench, and it saves time for the tasks you love. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old oil filter and coat the new filter gasket with a light film of fresh oil to improve sealing. Screw the new filter on by hand until snug, then add a 1/4 to 1/2 turn for proper tightness. Refill the engine with the correct amount of oil. Start the engine for a minute, then shut off and recheck the dipstick level, topping off as necessary for an accurate fill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.